Okay guys, so right now I'm going to show you the individual planner copy wizard. Now as you can see here, right now I am on my daily view here, so I'm just seeing things one day at a time. So that's the 18th, here's the 19th, and 20th, and so forth. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and put this in a weekly view. That way I can see this whole week ahead. So once I click that, I see my weekly view here. Now, what's going to happen here is sometimes, many times, we need to be flexible with our lessons for whatever reason, maybe due to an illness or maybe to an unforeseen activity, such as a pep rally or maybe some sort of presentation, fire drill, anything of that sort. Sometimes we may miss out on a lesson for a particular class and it just throws everything off. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and see my week here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say that I was absent on a Monday, and the lesson that I was supposed to do on Monday, I want to move it to Tuesday. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to my copy wizard, and I make sure that I copy content in my planner. This is already my lesson plan here that I have. And what I'm going to do is down here at the bottom, I'm going to click next. Then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and copy a day. I do not want to copy the week. I just simply want to copy a day. So I'm going to click next. And the day that I want to copy is the 18th. That's the day that I was absent. So always make sure that you're careful and pick the correct date that you want to copy. So once the 18th is highlighted, I'm going to click next. And by default, if you notice, it skips 2 days ahead. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and move it to the 19th. So I'm going to click next. And it asks me here to confirm. Everything looks good. Monday the 18th to the 19th. And I click finish. And there you go. Now you may say, well, wait a minute, nothing seems to change. Well, yes, everything changed here. As you can see, we have our lesson from the 18th. Here, what is science? And you may say, well, wait a minute, nothing changed here. Well, what you need to understand is what's going to happen is that lesson will append to this lesson here. So what you can do now is you can just simply go in here and you can just go ahead and highlight and delete. And now you have copied your lesson from one day to the next. In a similar fashion, what you can do is you can change 1 week to the next. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you. I'm going to pick this week from the 18th through the 22nd. And I'm going to go to the copy wizard, copy content in my planner, click next, and I'm going to copy the week. It's going to ask me what week do I want to copy. This is the week from the 18th through the 22nd. Now I want you to observe my calendar right here. You see these dark bold numbers? That means that those numbers or those dates are stamped, which are eligible for you to go ahead and transfer things in there. The lighter colors, such as you see here from the 2nd through the 6th, are not stamped. So I'm going to show you what can happen here. If you click next, once you pick the week you want, and you say, hey, I want to move it to the week of the 2nd through the 6th, and click next, and click next one more time, there is all your stuff there for you. Okay? So again, you're able to move a whole week from the week that we started from the 18th over here of September. What is science, or what is science within the living environment of students? Now you go to the 2nd and everything is there for you. So you can go from one day at a time to even 1 week at a time should you need to.